looking into this, and CNN has just learned that the NYPD is not actively investigating Sean Diddy Combs, according to sources. This after the R&B singer Cassie Ventura has filed a lawsuit against him. And the allegations she's leveling against him are, frankly, truly shocking. She was his girlfriend. She says in a federal lawsuit that Combs repeatedly physically abused her and raped her when she tried to leave him. She also accuses him of forcing her to have sex with other men and luring her into a drug-fueled lifestyle that led to her struggle with addiction for years. Combs' attorney calls the lawsuit absolutely baseless and vehemently denies the allegations against his client. For more legal perspective on this, criminal defense attorney and CNN legal analyst Joey Jackson is here. These allegations couldn't be more extreme and shocking. Yeah. And especially when you're talking about someone who is in the public eye, like Sean Combs, with all the names he's come through, P Diddy, Puffy.
Yes.
He is an icon in the business. But this is civil, not criminal, correct? At this point?
Absolutely, yes. So, Sarah, what happens is explosive allegations, right, within this complaint. And just to be clear, it's a civil lawsuit. Right. Civil lawsuit lays out chapter and verse what she is alleging, that is Miss Ventura, as to his conducts, talking about the abusive nature of it, not only limited to New York, although it's being filed in the Southern District Federal Court, but going on to a trip to Las Vegas, California, Miami, indicating a lot of things. Now, to your point, this is civil, so it relates to damages, monetary damages, right, in the event the lawsuit is proven. That's distinguishable, of course, if it were a criminal prosecution where it would relate to life or liberty interest, right? That's about jail. This is not about jail, it's about civil, although, interestingly enough, the allegations contained relate a lot to misconduct, which could be deemed criminal if it were in that court.
Hi, it's Tisha Paul and welcome to American Television News. Go ahead, friends and folks and family and everyone that's watching, hit the free like and that free subscribe button. It helps a lot. Our team really needs this, so please hit the like and free subscribe button. Hi, it's Tisha Paul. I'm just reminding you to subscribe to this channel. We had 1.7 million views and counting, and we have 39,000 subscribers. When we hit 100,000, we're going to start with our free giveaways to subscribers. So you have to be a subscriber in order to get a chance for a free giveaway. So check out the tag products today. They're from Beauty Benefit Cosmetic, and also some are from Target. They're beautiful, they're lovely. We have electronics today, and we have nice, beautiful products. And for Benefits Cosmetic, if you shop here and you shop one of the tag products by putting in the word YouTube 30, which pops up on the screen, between 11/18 and 11/29/2023, you can get 30% off on all of the Benefits Cosmetic products, plus free shipping and handling. I've been looking at Real Ladies. I'm Tisha Paul. We'll be back right after this. That was a couple of days ago. Joey Jackson was on CNN and he was talking about the sexual allegation charges against Puff Daddy. So while we were in the process doing the show, we just read on CNBC that Sean Combs, so this is breaking news, he has settled the case with his ex-girlfriend Cassie, the hip-hop mogul, who on Friday filed a lawsuit last week. They settled last Friday. So the R&B singer Cassie and hip-hop mogul Sean Combs on Friday agreed to resolve claims in a bombshell lawsuit she filed just a day earlier, accusing him of raping her, sex trafficking her, and brutally beating her during their personal relationship. So the terms of the settlement between Combs and his former partner Cassie, whose legal name is Cassandra Ventura, they were not disclosed. However, Thursday afternoon, this is what we're hearing from CNBC, Cassie's lawyer had said that Combs offered her 8 figures, or between 10 million and 99.9 million, to keep her from filing the lawsuit. But she filed the lawsuit anyway. Why would she have filed a lawsuit? Well, she felt at the time that she had a case, and now we see it settled. Does it mean that he is guilty? Well, at this point, the settlement is going on, so you can't say because somebody literally settled a case, mean they're guilty. Sometimes people settle cases, they just want it to go away. So the allegations were serious. So Puff Daddy probably had to do something about this. I mean, he's sitting on $1 billion here. So even if he has to pay out 100 million, he's still very, very wealthy. So Combs' lawyer, Ben Bradford, who has strongly denied what he called the suit's baseless and outrageous lies, that same day Cassie demanded 30 million while threatening to write a book about their relationship. Her legal team, Cassie's legal team, in a statement late Friday said this evening, Miss Ventura and Mr. Combs resolved the claims that she filed against him yesterday in the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York for their mutual satisfaction. So they're neither denying it or, they just said they're happy it got resolved. Now, why would they file a claim in New York? Well, part of it happened in New York, the incident as she's alleging, part happened in California. As you know, New York has cases now. This is where Weinstein went down in New York. New York is cracking down on men who are raping women, even if it was years ago. So New York has some very strong laws that help women to bring rape cases. So that's why if the incident happened in New York, then these women are lucky enough to bring it. Unfortunately, for other states, if it happened in other states, they are not really that protected. So that's why you're going to see a lot of these sexual allegation cases coming to New York or probably California, but you don't see them down in Florida because Florida has a different law. Isn't that unfortunate that some women that are involved or gotten raped, they're able to get justice, but other women, they're not as fortunate because either one, it didn't happen in New York. Two, the person is not that wealthy. But sex trafficking is a very dangerous allegation. And Puff Daddy probably knew his brand could have been destroyed. Who knows what would have happened if they went to discovery? Because there was going to be a time when, if the lawsuit had gone forward, that Puff Daddy would have gotten a chance to be in court. He would have filed an answer. Then they would have done discovery. And these things, the media could get a hold of it, and this could have hurt Puff Daddy's reputation. Because at the end of the day, Puff Daddy is an artist. He's a businessman. He's a CEO of a corporation. He's got to protect his image. The best thing to do is settle lawsuits. It is just the best and the most clever thing to do. Whether you're guilty of it or not, you at that top, when you have $1 billion, you settle those lawsuits as they come in, because your image and your reputation can be destroyed. And yes, I'm an attorney, and I'm an attorney in the state of Florida, and I'm just telling you what my opinion on why they settled. It doesn't mean that Puff Daddy is guilty of anything. It just means that maybe settlement is always the best move to make. All right? And the allegations were bad. We'll be back. I'm Tisha Paul. I'm about to tell you about some nice products and reasons to subscribe.